Hello there, gorgeous. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this amazing video where you're sure to find 100 plus natural short haircut ideas for black women. I know you love your natural hair look, and this is an amazing video for you to pick lots of ideas to give you a unique look. You probably have seen one or two of these hairstyles or haircuts before, but of course you surely find something new you may want to try out for yourself. See amazing tapered cut hairstyle for your natural hair, beautiful blonde style TWA, and of course beautiful bald haircuts and hairstyle ideas. If you're looking for something really low, talking about very short haircuts, you're sure to find low cut hairstyles right here as well. So go right ahead and watch this amazing video through the end as you come to find something you love to try out next time you have your hair appointment at your favorite hair salon. We do want you to get great inspiration to look good and of course feel confident in yourself, and know that definitely these are styles that a lot of women out there are rocking and they are looking absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. Again, go right ahead and watch through the end. Let's know how you feel about the video on the comment section. Keep coming back for more. Check out our previously uploaded videos, and of course watch out for what we have for you coming up very soon. It's a season of celebration, and of course we want to give you the very best styles to look really good and pretty this particular season, and of course counting. Keep coming back for more. You take care and bye.